Looking to enhance your Windows 11 experience? I'll guide you on how to disable fast startup, allowing for a more controlled and efficient shutdown process. Stay tuned for a quick and easy way to make adjustments to your system settings. Press Windows plus S to launch the search menu. Enter Control Panel in the text field at the top, and click on the relevant search result that appears. This will open the Control Panel app. Click on System and Security. Next, select Power Options. Click on Choose what the power buttons do from the list of options on the left. Press on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now, untick the checkbox for Turn on Fast Startup, and then click on Save Changes. The Fast Startup feature in Windows 11 will now be disabled. Press the Windows key plus R, type Regedit, and click OK. Navigate to the path below in the left pane. H key, Local Machine Emos Systemo, Current Control Sets Control, Session, Manager O Power. Now, double-click the Hyperboot Enabled option. Finally, set its value data to 0 and click OK. Press the Windows key plus R, type gpedit dynamsc, and click OK. Navigate to the path below in the left pane. Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Shutdown. Now, double-click the Require Use of Fast Startup option in the right pane. Finally, tick the Disabled Radio button and click Apply, followed by OK. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and select Run as Administrator under Command Prompt. Now type the command below and hit Enter. Power CFG. H off finally, wait for the command to finish running and close CMD. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.